Hi, my name is Tato Mawa, and today I'm going to be presenting my project, of which is a contactless doorbell. This is a photo of, this is an overview of my project, and this is the components that are inside the enclosure. This is a wiring diagram so that you can better see the previous wiring connection. My base project was only based on an ultrasonic sensor, a microcontroller, which is an Arduino, and a buzzer. What I added on this project was the LDR, the PIR sensor for the inputs, LED, LCD display, and a GSM module for the output. This here is my flow diagram. Once you plug in the Arduino, the setup of the Arduino runs first. The second stage is the initialization for the PIR sensor so that it can actually monitor the room and recalibrate itself. And then my three inputs run independently. First, we have the ultrasonic sensor. Once it's triggered, the LED goes on, the buzzer makes a sound, and then there's a message displayed on the screen. With the PIR sensor, once it's triggered, the LED goes on, there's a message on the screen. For the LDR, once it's triggered, the LED goes on, it sends a message to the GSM, the GSM calls the owner, a message is displayed on the screen. This here is my design for the PCB. It has two layers in order to avoid short-circuiting. And to follow is the demonstration of my project and how it works. And this is how my project works. The PIR sensor is going to be installed in the passage leading to the door. Whenever a person passes the sensor, a message will display on the screen and an LED will turn on. When reaching the door, the person will have to place their hand over the newly designed buzzer so that it can activate the message on screen, the LED, and the buzzer. The last part is the LDR. The LDR is going to be used whenever to trigger the GSM module so that the owner can receive a call whenever somebody is at the door. Ne? And here comes the call. Thank you everyone for watching my video. I hope you like it.